Greetings Golden Eyes community, my name is Harry from class 9.2 and today I will interview the teachers of SNA Marianapolis International School. This interview today will let you know how your teachers celebrate New Year, a big and a warm festival on the world. I'm TRÄN.
Hello!
And do you like New Year in Great Britain or Turkey and why?
Ooh, I like them in both. I prefer New Year in Turkey, mainly because we have all my family, all my husband's family, and we come together in my house. We all do like a potluck dinner where I will do the turkey bread sauce, and it's made of bread with onion and milk. So Happy New Year to everybody. Yeni Yıl Kutlu Olsun. That means Happy New Year to everybody.
Yeah.
And have a wonderful time.
Hi Juliana. So, first, how do you or your family celebrate New Year?
Okay, so let me tell you that in Colombia is a very special occasion. So we will find and we will actually rent a house outside the city. And yeah, we will like get all together, all the different family members. We will get together and we will wait until it's the 12 o'clock, and we will have a special meal, and we will dress up with a in a very fancy way. But we will also wear yellow because yellow is good luck for us. And we will also have, as part of the meal, we will have grapes, and we will start dividing the grapes into 12 grapes for each member.
At 12 o'clock.
And at 12 o'clock, we will start like eating all the different grapes, and for each grape, we will just make a wish and celebrate the New Year's Eve.
Feliz año para todos, que sea el mejor de los años y bienvenido el año del dragón.
United States. Hi Mr. Mark. Hello. Do you think New Year is a part of a US people's culture?
Yes. It is expected for people to go out on New Year's Eve, and it's very important economically because a lot of people will make dinner reservations or go see a show or buy special food and fireworks. So it's a big part of American culture. I would like to wish everyone watching this, I would like to wish them a very happy, healthy, and successful 2024.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mark.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was a long journey. So thank you for following my journey, and I also wish you a happy New Year with your family and friends. Go Knights!